Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business social media post using film grain in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and set my social media canvas. I place the image and duplicate the layer. I go to Camera Raw filter and carefully apply film grain. I stop for a moment to feel the texture. Business posts need emotion but clarity. I reduce the grain amount slightly and adjust size. I zoom in to check details. I zoom out and check balance. I add business text and align it properly. The final post feels engaging, emotional, and professional for business growth. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.